Hey, what's up, guys? Today is Thursday, and just right off the bat, I want to apologize. Yesterday, I recorded a video for this channel and just totally forgot to upload it. So that's all on me. My bad. I had a little bit of information for you guys yesterday, and I just didn't upload it. I forgot. It's been a busy last few days, so that's my excuse. But today, if you're watching this, then I uploaded. So today I've had a couple of things going on. Jay and I released the video this morning for the giveaway, getting a huge response from that. So that's really, really awesome. If you have not been over there to enter the giveaway, go enter for it. The grand prize is the dartboard, but if you can't get down here to pick it up, you can still enter and win the other things that we have over there. So go ahead and enter. You could possibly win something. You don't have to come get one of the little things that you click on says, I do not want to be entered in for the dartboard because I can't pick it up, but I want to be entered in for everything else. So that's one of the options. So just check that, and if your name happens to be the dartboard winner, then we'll just skip it and go to the next one. So regardless, anybody can enter and have a chance to win everything else. So that's that. Go check it out. It's on my website, stoneandsons.net. It should just be right at the top of the page there, most recent video. Then Jay on his channel. So either one doesn't matter. That all goes to the same place. Working on the next video for next week. So I'll show you what happened. So I've got, with this tripod out of the way, all this is coming out. All that's coming out. Leg vise is gone. There it is on the outfeed assembly table. So yeah, that's going to be a video. I'm going to be talking about how I mounted this and showing the leather process on that. And I got the little stop there. I'm going to be incorporating a wedge here, but I'm going to try something that is going to be a little bit different and incorporate something pretty cool. So I'm going to be doing that tomorrow, I think, and this video should be out next Tuesday. So it actually looks pretty good on that table. I'm excited about it. So anyway, got that done today. Just got through recording a podcast episode. Man, it seems like I've done a lot today, so it feels good to be productive. But podcast episode is out. Like I said, I haven't been promoting it, but now I'm ready to just let it go. So if you'll go to stoneandsons.net/audio, or you'll see a tab there on the website. Be sure to go to that and share it. Just share it, share it, share it. Go to iTunes and Google Play and search for either Sean Stone or Stone and Sons Audio Show and subscribe so you can get the notifications there. But also download the Anchor app, ANCHOR.FM, ANCHOR.FM, the app on your phone. Search for either Sean Stone or Stone and Sons Audio Show and favorite my station. That way you can call in or leave a voicemail with a question. I can put it on the show and answer it. And then also I'm going to be incorporating to where I can call somebody and have a phone call, and have that on the show. So that's cool too. So be sure to get that app so you can do those fun little things. Otherwise, you can listen on iTunes and Google Play. You can listen on Anchor too, but it's just personal preference. So yeah, that's that. Got all that done. And so I'm really excited about all this space that's fixing to be available here. I think one thing that I'm going to do is have a kids traditional style workbench right here. I'll create plans for it. But I had this little area for my kids, so they're going to have a little place for their aprons and maybe some hand tools up on the wall. Who knows? I don't know. Then maybe I might have one over here next to it and just see what happens. I don't know. So I got a lot of ideas, a lot of things to build this year. Just trying to stay busy. Love the encouragement. Thanks for all the positive comments on the last video. Really means a lot to me. Spending time with my kids in the shop and teaching them more about just, while I'm woodworking, also teaching them about, life stuff is really important to me. And so I think that's going to be a huge part of my channel this year, is just passing on, woodworking to my kids, but also just talking about life with them. So if that's something you like, stick around. Other than that, I've got some other things up my sleeve. Just don't want to say anything just yet, but you guys will always know first. So anyway, there was something else I was going to tell you, and I can't remember. Anyway, there's always tomorrow. So if I remember, I'll be sure to say it here tomorrow. All right, guys, go into the giveaway. A lot of cool stuff. Oh, I know what it was. The branding iron is going to be going on till this Friday. Philip Cranford's giving away 5 branding irons from Cranford Design Works. If you have not entered for that, go look on my Instagram page for the little branding iron and this logo as the image. Comment on that post for your chance to win one of 5 branding irons. So he's really doing a spectacular giveaway, because those things are super cool to be able to brand your projects and whatever you're doing. So yeah, that was it. Go do that, and we'll see you later. See you tomorrow.